Arrive in style with this Mercedes-Benz 2013 C-Class C 250 Luxury. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: turbocharged, rear-wheel drive, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels and tires, front performance. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.